How to subscribe Amazon Prime. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can subscribe Amazon Prime. So in order to subscribe, there are different methods to subscribe while creating an account, or you can also do it after you've created an account. So then to begin with, open up your Amazon Prime Video account. Currently my account is in a free trial period. So I've already created an account, but I don't have a subscription. So click on the profile icon located right on top, go to the gear icon and scroll down a bit, head over to manage account. On this page you'll be able to see two different options. You can either make changes with your detailed information, or you can either get a subscription. So to get a subscription, click on set payment method. First of all, you'll need to provide in your card details and all that. Select how would you like to make a payment. Only then you'll be able to get a subscription. After you've done adding your payment method, you need to go to manage wallet, and it's going to direct you to the page where you'll be able to see the plans and update. So go through the plans and premium account, and whichever is convenient for you, select that, and accordingly you'll be subscribed to Amazon Prime Video. In this way you can get a premium account on Prime Video account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.